I'm Rowan Crozier. I'm Chief Executive at Brandauer & Co Limited. Brandauer, a 160-year-old precision advanced manufacturing business. We stamp metal components for multiple sectors across the world and also manufacture tooling to allow that to happen. Exporting to 26 countries now, it's vital that we maintain a level of skill in this business that allows us to promote ourselves as an advanced manufacturer. Part of the solution to that and the journey for that is making sure we bring new people into the business and develop their skills. That means attracting young engineers and allowing them to learn throughout an extensive journey through engineering at Brandauer. To enable that, we've had to bring the company and the processes at the company of recruitment and attraction that bring in people at 16 years old and allow them to follow a journey right through that engineering learning piece, through to them being senior managers and directors in the business. We started from zero. Ground zero was no apprentices in the business, no processes, and previous failed attempts for that to happen. That was 10 years ago. Fast forward to today, and now 15% of our workforce are made up of apprentices at different stages on that journey, and 50% of my senior management team have come through that journey and out the other side and are established senior engineers in a world-class manufacturing business. We're trying to bottle that and promote what STEM is about and how important it is to attract young people into not only our business, but into manufacturing as a whole. So there's a lot of opportunities that will present themselves if you want to come into manufacturing. The main reason why I came into manufacturing is I have a natural interest in engineering, making stuff, making things better. But that also lends itself to entrepreneurship as well and running businesses. And I work in a small SME, very good manufacturing business. And I feel like I make an impact every day and always have done since the day I started in small businesses. And I think that's something that I want to spread the message on. Every single person that comes in and wants a career and wants to make things better than they used to be made will have huge rewards. Not just monetary rewards, but huge rewards in seeing things, making a difference to things, seeing things improve over a very short period of time. You can come and work in a small business and make an impact quickly. You don't always get that opportunity in larger organisations. And that's something that I want to bottle and promote and get other people to take advantage of and come in and learn. While you learn, earn well, but also be able to make a difference, have an impact. Brandauer truly crosses the streams. We've got the reputation and history, so being 160 years old, we started out making pen nibs 160 years ago. And today, we're making top-end componentry in hydrogen fuel cells, electric vehicles, the Large Hadron Collider. It's an exciting business to be in, and I need more people to come in and take advantage of that environment in terms of learning. If they get out of the business what they should do, we only stand to gain as a business as well. So it's a win-win for both business and engineer that comes to join us. So in the last 10 years, we've got a number of success stories that we can talk about and boast about, which I'm really proud of. The first is we've had 2 family members come on work experience. As a result of that taster, a 4-week work experience placement, they've taken up apprenticeships at Brandauer in engineering, tool making, and they've now come out the end of their first year training on that, and they're moving forward into their next stage, which is the on-the-job part of the training. The second one, I've got two apprentices who are now qualified. They've finished their level 4 and they've actually now been promoted into team leader positions, and they've both won awards independently for their performance on that journey. And then the final one is over 75% of my management team have come through the apprenticeship route. Not necessarily ours, other people's, but the point is, for the manufacturing sector, it's a really key part of filling the skills vacuum that has been created over the last 15 to 20 years. And if we train more young people, they may not end up in our business, but they're certainly going to be to the benefit of the sector as a whole. And we've certainly been a beneficiary of that, as I say, with 75% of our management team apprentice trained.